gets away from Tuitt. Here comes Harrison chasing. Moore, oh my goodness, Moore is absolutely walloped. I don't know how he's going to get up.
Run people down. Brady in trouble. Here comes the rush, and here's the hit. Man alive. Brady's up. That's good to see, but what looked like a knockout hit by Nate Clemens, who played against Brady when they were both in the Big Ten.
Second down and 10. Oh, what a hit. Look out. Brad Smith. My goodness. That was vicious.
Mike Bell is in. 1st and 10. Bell picks up Polamalu. Massaquoi was drilled. Oh my goodness. Harrison again laying the wood, and he is slow to get up.
Once again, a violent collision. This one's head-to-head, much in the same way it was with Joshua Cribbs. Now, why wasn't the flag thrown on the earlier one? Remember, Cribbs was a runner with the football. He was not in a defenseless position. Watch Massaquoi. See, he's defenseless. No way he can protect himself. No way he can see the defender coming. He's looking for the football. Let's listen in.
Arizona's abandoned the run. It's been no huddle and throw, and what a hit across the middle by Deshaun Wilson.
Manning to throw. Separation. Oh, big hit. Sanders gets walloped by McLeod. Penalty marker on the play. Yates into the nickel. Gutto, they come from the side. He is hit by Williams, a former Texan, and the ball jarred free. And it was recovered by the Jets. And this is,
Oh, what a nail! As Jonathan Bostic just separated Mike Willie from the football. There's a hole for RG3, and did he get in? Yes, it's a touchdown Redskin.
Backing off the blitz, giving McCarron time, goes underneath, and he is smashed. Shazier lays out Bernard, and Shazier comes up with the football.
Yard line. And the slant is caught. Oh, Williams thought he had it, then a tremendous hit. Number 32 on 3rd down and 6. Cobb in trouble, gets rid of it. Oh, big hit on Deshaun Jackson. And there is a penalty marker.
Well, that's a defenseless player.
Dante Robinson down as well.
Man, I don't know how you take this out of the game of football. I don't know if there's anything you can do. They've implemented the rule. It's hard for the player.